Welcome back to the channel. So this week we're going to get back into working on the Turbo Civic. Been a bit slack the last week or so just because the weather's been pretty bad, but got a break in the weather today, so we're going to get back into working on some of the subframe. So got all that laid out. Probably going to just assemble it all and just so it's all ready to go back in the car. Also got some of the wheel wells that I'm going to just go over and tidy up. Got some underseal that I'm just going to put a coat on, just on the wheel wells. I'm not going to do under the car, but got the front to clean up as well. Got a bit of excess rubber there from some burnouts or whatnot. So yeah, for those new to the channel, this is my 92 EG Civic. Doing a bit of a full restoration build on at the moment. I blew the motor up a few months ago, so I've decided to, at the same time as pulling that out, give the rest of the car a bit of love and give it a paint job and whatnot. But yeah, the motor going back in is a B18C Turbo. Has stock sleeves, just pistons and rods, so it's probably good for around 400 or 500 horsepower. Won't be pushing it too much past that because I know my limits now. But yeah, enough waffling, so I'll set the camera up and we'll get into working on some of the subframe. So yeah, got the subframe together to that stage. So just got this power steering rack and the control arms on it. So I'll be able to install that into the car and then install the shocks and the hubs afterwards. I was going to try do it all together, but it's just a bit hard with one person. So now we're going to get into probably cleaning up some of these guards. Well, they're under the wheel wells. So I just got to go over them with wire brush and get rid of all this rubber and dirt and crap and give it a paint. So I've got this Pro Seal rubberized coating stuff, so I'll just see if it see how well this works. But yeah, I read on the online that it's pretty good, so yeah, we'll get into that now anyway. Oh, got the wheel wells all cleaned up, so we'll go ahead and mask them up and start giving them a coat of paint. So haven't cleaned them up perfectly, but it's pretty hard to get in there. So got all the dirt off and all the debris and crap. So we'll get into masking them up now and painting them. Okay. Yeah, got the wheel wells all painted up, looking pretty good. This paint's pretty nice to paint with. Got the other side all set, so we'll move on to the back wheel wells, and probably going to be a bit harder to paint these because I haven't pulled the suspension out or anything, but do the best we can anyway, so get into that now anyway. life, fodder. Fodder bike life. So yeah, got all the back wheel wells all sprayed up with the undersealer. So they're looking good. Got the other side all done too. It's a bit harder to do in here because of all the suspension in the way, but still looks alright. So not perfect, but good enough for me anyway. The fronts look pretty mint. So just tidies up the car that much more, but not that you're ever really gonna see it, but gives me some peace of mind for my OCD. So next week we're probably gonna get back into sanding the car, and it's probably the final sanding video. So, and then we'll get into painting probably the week after or whenever I get some fine weather, because painting the car outside, so that'll be a fun experience anyway. So hopefully there's a nice fine day for that anyway. Need it to be really still, not like today, because yeah, it's pretty windy today. So yeah, that'll be it for this video anyway. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ah, stalled it. Look at him, little speedster.